Hey, it's Casey. Got new toys. We're going to be doing some testing today. We got some really dirty chains after a ride at Barnwell. And I want to try a new method. Show you the new tool we got. Here's the setup. Got ultrasonic cleaner. We're trying to bring it up temp, so 60 degrees Celsius. We're going to use the oil eater. In there, I got it at about, come on, focus. There's 2 gallons of water in there. I put it to 1:32 ratio, which is about 6 fluid ounces. On here, it's a 6.5 liter container. So I just got 2 gallons of water in there. And then we're going to use this to capture any small parts. We're going to dip the chain in there. We're going to go through a couple cycles, probably 10-15 minutes, and see what works. We'll go from there. First run at 15 minutes. We'll come back and check on it. Alright, quick update. Technically, this is our 3rd pass. We did like a first 15-minute session just to check it out. We did a 25-minute session, and I just did a 30-minute session after we changed the water, and it's gross again. So let it keep going, see what happens. Alright, last run. I've already pulled it out. That thing looks pretty new. Rinse it off with clean water, let it dry up for a second, and then put some penetrating oil on it. It's a good product. I like it. Got lots of other uses too. Okay, so I just drained that water, and look how much stuff is down in there. So we'll just kind of that's all sand. I will say, when you fill this reservoir up, don't use cold water. Get a jump start. Use a little hot water. Not boiling water, just hot tap water. Makes a difference. So it's final wrap up, just kind of reviewing the ultrasonic cleaner and the baskets and all its components. This is a 6.5 liter. I opted for one with the valve on the side, which actually came in really handy when changing the fluids. This one has a temperature range and also a timer set. It only goes up to 30 minutes. There are a couple different variations of models. I'll show the link for this model in the description down below. And also using the oil degreaser. The combination of this and the oil degreaser, and I'm sure there's different products, and we'll be testing on those later, but wow, these chains look brand new. I'm really impressed. This thing is a game changer in the shop. Don't use it for everything. You're not going to do the chains like this every single time, but once a year, a good, healthy annual maintenance, I think we'll extend these chains and a lot of other parts around here. Can't wait to do a carburetor. We got some carburetors in the background we're going to be brewing. I think it's going to work out terrific. Alright, appreciate everyone watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.